Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by ensuring power and connectivity so the fix won't stall. First, place the watch on its charger and wait 30 minutes or until battery shows roughly half. Make sure your iPhone is nearby with Bluetooth and unlocked. Once done, perform a force restart. Press and hold the digital crown and side button together for 10 to 15 seconds until the Apple logo appears. This clears most boot hangs by resetting core processes without erasing your data, so try it now. If a force restart didn't finish startup, unpair the watch from your iPhone using the Watch app. This creates a fresh backup you can restore from. Next, update both your iPhone and Apple Watch to the latest Watch OS and iOS versions, because software mismatches often cause loading loops. Once updates install, restart both devices and let the watch restore. If the update or restore fails repeatedly, erase the watch completely and then restore from that automatic backup to clear corrupt settings or apps. To finish, restore the watch from the backup you created during unpairing. Let the process run uninterrupted and keep both devices charged. If the watch still shows a perpetual loading screen, consider a factory erase again and reinstall cleanly. This removes persistent software corruption. Should erasing fail or the watch refuse to restore, examine for hardware issues like a swollen battery or water damage. If you observe those or the problem persists, contact Apple support or visit an Apple store for DFU-level service or.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.